It's from Slovakia. Or Slovenia. I can't understand a fucking word she says. I should really ask, I know, but it's been 12 years. You can't ask now, can you? I'm joking. She's Slovakian. I've asked. She is. And I know it's tense times, I know it's a weird time, you know. You're just mentioning another country. I can sense now, quite fairly, a few of you will be like, oh, what's he going to say? How did he vote? How did we all vote? What do you all think? We're all so tense around each other now, aren't we? You know, we need to get back to a point where we can just laugh at each other, not take each other so seriously. My wife is from another country. Surely, I'm allowed to make the odd, light-hearted, right-wing joke around the house. No? Here's one. Applaud. Fucking back time, I've got my back already. Now, don't panic, I can sense some of you are offended already. I've said this to her face, she didn't give a shit. Why are you offended? She loves gardening, my wife. Oh, loves gardening. She gets really wound up how little I care. I just don't give a shit about it. She's like, right, this was like last spring. She's like, right, I need to get in the garden. I need to sort out the borders. I know you don't give a shit, but I need to sort the borders. I said, if it wasn't for the British relaxed attitude of borders, you would fucking bother. Just a bit of fun. Just don't clap, for the love of God. It reveals how you voted.